Hello my friends, Jerry Rosa here at the Valley Springs Ranch, otherwise known as the RSW Homestead. We are getting ready to cut a bunch of firewood, and it's quite a production to do a big job of firewood. Most of you know that I have to burn a lot of firewood to heat that crazy house up there. But it's a really big production, so just thought I'd show you what we're going through. Here's a dump trailer that I built from pretty much from scratch. I used kind of a truck axle, I guess, or a trailer axle under there, and then I pretty much built this whole bed and everything, and it dumps, and so that makes it much easier. I don't have to unload the firewood. I also built this log splitter, which goes on the front of the Bobcat, and the Bobcat is a key role in what we're going to be doing today. If you look here, the Bobcat has a Grapple bucket on it, which I also built, and nothing to do with what we're doing today, but there's just a hydraulic brush hog that I built for the front of the Bobcat over there as well. And so I do build a lot of other things. You've seen me do the repairs and restorations of the old instruments, but I'm into a lot of other things here. When you have a big farm like this, you have to learn how to do a whole lot of things. So come with us on our little trip back to the back of the property where we're going to be cutting firewood today.